this channel is already monetized and displaying advertisement, and if you check out one of their videos, this is the type of video they are making. And you can actually make this type of videos line with the help of AI tools, which are 100% free of charge. So in this very video, I'm going to simply show you how you can actually create videos like this with the help of AI tools, which I'm going to show you. And the best part is that the AI tools I'm going to show you in this video are 100% free of charge. You're not required to pay any money, all right? For you to know that the channel is monetized, you can show right here they have a shop right here. And for you to confirm more, if you go over to this particular website, this is the name of the channel. This is the channel right here. The channel is already monetized. You can see right here, channel is monetized and displaying advertisements. Okay, so you can actually create these videos by yourself and also monetize on YouTube. All right, so I'm going to simply show you step by step on how to do that. So in this video, we're going to be doing 4 simple steps. The first step is to get an engaging story. All right, if you have a good story, then this is going to simply work perfectly for you. It's going to hook people from the beginning of the video to the ending part of the video. All right, so remember, this is just a short video. You need something that can actually grab attention. All right, the second step, I'm going to simply show you how you can actually create consistent characters with your mobile phone without paying any AI tools. All right, all the tools you're going to be using in this video are going to be coming from your mobile phone, and they're 100% free of charge. Okay, so the third step, I'm going to simply show you how you can actually generate audio for your videos. All right, and fourthly, I'm going to show you how you can actually edit this professionally, so you can actually monetize your channel. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get into the video right away. The first thing you need to do is simply head over to your Play Store. When you go to your Play Store, first of all, search for Meta AI. Make sure you download this particular application. This is the first app we're going to simply download. The second one you're going to simply download right now is ChatGPT. You go ahead and update your ChatGPT. Okay, we need the latest version for this to work for us. Okay, head back to that particular YouTube channel, then play one of their videos. Let's say I want to pick one of the videos. This is the video I want to go for. When you pause it, the next you need to do is simply go ahead and make a screenshot of it. Okay, go ahead and do something like this. You can see right here it has already screenshot, and the next you need to do right now is simply fall back to your ChatGPT. Okay, remember I told you we're going to simply be using ChatGPT for this. Okay, so go back to your ChatGPT, simply click on this, or you're going to simply go ahead and paste it from here. You can see the screenshot you've already made. I'm going to simply paste it, add this particular prompt to it. Okay, just make sure you send it just like this. Just send it out, and we're going to simply see what ChatGPT can actually do for us. Okay, all right, so you can see right here, this is the story that it generated for us right now. This is the story right here, and the story seems to be cool. All right, I just search for Meta AI on your mobile phone. This is it right here. You simply go ahead and sign up with your Meta account, or maybe you can use Instagram, Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to simply be logging in with my Facebook. We are signing in already. So if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Okay, so remember right here, we've not paid anybody. This is just free of charge. Okay, so click on the continue button, click on the next button, then allow it. All right, then you have to simply click on this plus button right now to create. Okay, then click array. Remember that screenshot we made, just click on it, then add this prompt, then tell it use this particular character as a reference for all upcoming images. All right, so after giving it this particular prompt, the next thing you need to do right now is simply fall back to ChatGPT. Remember, this is the story right here. So each of these scenes, we need pictures for it or images for it that we're going to simply turn to videos. All right, so that it can actually get engaging and also make sense, so that if people are viewing it, they will be able to like, subscribe, and also follow you for more. Right, we're going to tell it to give us image prompt of each scene. All right, so based on this story, create scene by scene image prompt for an AI image generator. Okay, then you send it out. So it says here we can give it to Midjourney, Leonardo, blah blah blah, and the rest of that. Okay, so most of these tools right here requires you to pay money, but we're going to simply show you the ones that are 100% free of charge. Okay, so that you won't be spending money when your channel has not been monetized. Okay, this is the prompt right here. We have 5 different prompts right now. Okay, you have to simply go ahead and copy them one after the other. Let's copy the first one. Click on this select button, then select the first prompt, then go back to Meta AI to generate an image for that particular scene. All right, then paste it right here, then carrying to clay. All right, so let's send it. Let's see what's going to simply give us. All right, so you can see right here, it has already given us our own. Okay, so remember, your own has to be different so that it won't be like you're copying from other people. No, you don't have to do that. Okay, so you can see right here, they can see the clear difference. Okay, so this is a cool one, and it's generated it as an image and also as a video as well. Okay, you can see all of them are all animated. So if you click on this one right now, you can see it is animation, and we can actually go ahead and save it. Okay, so for instance, if you click on this button here, this particular button, you can click and save it to your device. It has been saved. If you go to the next, you can simply click and save it. All right, so if you go to the third one, you can click and save it. The fourth one, you can click and save it. This is basically how you're going to simply generate all the images and turn them to videos. All right, so you can show right here, if your own Meta AI generated only the image, you can actually tell it to animate it. Okay, so the reason why I told you to go ahead and update the ones you already have is for you to get the latest features. All right, you can see these latest features allows you to either download it as an image or automatically turn it to a video. You can see what we have here right now. So with the same strategy, go ahead and copy the second prompt. When you copy the second prompt, then you have to simply go back to Meta AI and do the same thing, then download all the clips. All right, so I'm going to simply do that and get back to you right now. Alright, so right now the videos are all generated for us to begin compiling them to a professional video, alright, that is monetizable. The third step is to actually convert this particular script which you got from ChatGPT to an audio, alright. And for us to do that, you have to simply fall back to your ChatGPT. Just go back to your ChatGPT from here, alright, then fall back to this very section. Remember, this is all we generated right now from ChatGPT. I'm going to simply scroll up a little bit. This is the story right here. Just highlight and click on this select button. The next thing you have to do is simply find a realistic professional text-to-speech application, or maybe text-to-speech software or website that can actually help you monetize. All right, so for us to do this, remember, we're not spending money. All we have to do right now is simply utilize text-to-speech from Google. All right, and this one is 100% realistic, and it competes mostly with 11 Lab. All right, and it is 100% free of charge. So let's go over to our Chrome browser. Remember, you have to simply go ahead and update your Chrome browser. Then you search for Google AI Studio. All right, just scroll down a little bit, then select this generate speech, click on it, where you can actually generate audio from your script. Okay, so remember, this is what you're going to simply see, a dual speech. All right, so just click on this very section right here, then select single speaker instead of multi speaker. All right, let's select single speaker, and you're going to simply see lots of voices. Okay, so let's say I want to go with a male voice. If you select this one, this is how it sounds.
Ready to build something awesome today? Got a project in mind?
What do you want to explore?
Ready to make something amazing? What sparks your interest?
These are realistic AI text to speech. Okay, and you can actually select the one that matches with whatever type of content you want to make. Okay, so your own might not be poppy, your own might be another thing. All right, so this is just the strategy on how to do this. Okay, then I have to simply fall back to this very section where I have to simply give it my script. Okay, so remember, this is the script that we got from ChatGPT. Make sure you select your own type of character. Okay, your own might be a lion, your own might be a tiger, your own might be, so just make sure you stay unique, or just use the same strategy to create your videos all for free. Okay, everybody must not be creating poppy videos. Or go ahead and create your own unique character. Tiger, you can go with a goat, you can go with an elephant, maybe baby elephant, and a whole lot of that. Okay, then scroll down, then click on this run CTR. Okay, so let's wait for it to generate the audio. It is coming up. It's going to simply take like few minutes. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, so let's wait for it to generate it. All right, so the audio is done generating, so let's go ahead and play it.
Set out again at sunrise, carrying 2 clay pots on his tiny shoulder.
All right, so this is the audio right here. So you can actually go ahead and explore other voices. Simply click on this more button and click on the download button to download this audio. Okay, so it's going to simply be downloaded on your device. And the one thing about this particular stuff right here is that you might not see it on your CapCut. All right, you're going to simply use a particular application, which I'm going to simply show you right now, to convert it to a main audio. Right, so remember, this is not an mp3, this is not an mp3, but it is .wav. All right, so for you to turn it to mp3, you need to download an application. All right, just go ahead and search for audio cutter, music cutter. Okay, just go ahead and download it, or you update it. Okay, so we're gonna simply go ahead and use it to convert that .wav to mp4 or mp3. All right, then you open it. When you open it, you're gonna simply see those audios you downloaded from Google AI Studio. Okay, so let's allow it to load. It's opening. All right, close this. Then the next you need to do is simply go ahead and select the one you want. Let's say cut or merge or convert. Let's click on the convert. Then you select audio to mp3. All right, so remember, mp3 is also audio. All right, just that they're gonna simply change the format to mp3. Okay, for you not to start searching for it on the CapCut, which you're going to simply use to edit it, you're going to simply convert the audio to video. All right, let's select audio to video, then close it. Then select this one right here, which is the second one, the first one we downloaded. Then click on turn to video. All right, you can see right here, it doesn't really waste time. The next you need to do right now is simply fall back to step 4, which is to edit this particular video. Right, and we're going to simply use CapCut to edit this. All right, so if you go back to this section right, you're going to see CapCut right here on my mobile phone, and all I have to do right now is simply come back here, then click on this new video. When you click on new video, let's close this ad, click on the new video, and you can see this is the audio that was turned to video. All right, so scroll down a little bit right here, then you select this, select for now, just select one, then add it, and we want to simply go ahead and add audio. All right, then click on this audio section right here. So remember, we're going to extract from that video. All right, so we turned the audio to a video. Actually, I'm going to simply extract. All right, so click on this extract button, click on allow, then select this one right here, select it,
And also stay emotional.
all right, so let's remove this from here, cut it out, because that was the prompt I gave it. So this is what we have here.
The little puppy set out again.
Okay, so the video is already set, and we're going to simply go ahead and edit this just right here. Okay, I just want to cut it short so that I can actually get what I want to show you. Okay, so on your own free time, you can simply go ahead and edit your own very well professionally the way you want it. Okay, so I'm going to simply go ahead and scroll down here and play the video again.
The little puppy set out.
Okay, so what we're going to simply add right now is soundtrack, and also we're going to simply add sound effect. Okay, so firstly we're going to simply add a walk like a footstep soundtrack. So if you click on this section right here that says audio, then you have to simply go ahead and click on sound fx, that is effect. Okay, then add footstep walking. All right, okay, so I prefer this one.
The little puppy set out again at sunrise.
Okay, so I'm going to simply increase the speed because of the speed of that walk. All right, then click on the speed, then click on normal, then increase it a bit. All right,
The little puppy set out again at sunrise.
okay, so you need to simply go ahead and make your own editing more better. All right, so this is what we have here. You can simply go ahead and play it.
The little puppy set out again at sunrise.
Okay, so all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and add emotional background music. Okay, and for you to stay compliant, if you want to monetize it, go ahead and use YouTube Studio audio library to get your audios, all right, so that you can be able to monetize it, the ones that are free, royalty free. Okay, and also you can simply use CapCut, right? So if you go over to your CapCut and search for the sounds right here, if you go to sound, then click on this button, or you search for emotional background music. Okay, just search for that, and this is going to simply bring up many stuff, right? So I think I prefer this one. I like to go with this one, so I'm going to simply go ahead and add it. If we add it from this right section, this is what we're going to simply have.
The little puppy set out again at sunrise, carrying.
Yeah, this is basically how you can actually go ahead and create this type of videos, and you can actually go ahead and publish them. So this is basically how it works. If you found this helpful, and all the tools we use here are 100% free of charge, and this was done with our mobile phone, right? You don't need laptop for this. You need only your mobile phone and also consistency to get monetized on YouTube, right? If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, if you want more videos like this, I want to see your response on the comment section. See you in the next one.
The little puppy set out again at sunrise, carrying 2 clay pots on his tiny shoulders. His torn shirt fluttered in the soft wind as he walked along the dusty road. He stopped by the river, filled the pots carefully,